Hello everyone, thank you so much for this precious time you have given me. We are going to learn about PowerPoint. PowerPoint simplifies work in that if you want to present something, maybe like for large audience, you can't just have to write, or maybe you want to show some visual effects on it, like the graphs, the figures. You don't need to just draw, you just have to present PowerPoint. So when you open our PowerPoint app, and we see exactly how can we what to do. So you see, when you open PowerPoint here, we have the different templates that are already built in, and we have the PowerPoint works for some people that are already done, and alongside this is the latest one, which is always a blank one. So when you click on it, this blank one helps us in what, in designing the way we want. So see, this one is showing us already, it's like a master slide, maybe like someone has used it before, but for us we need a new one. Always you can click Ctrl M, that will take you to Control N to take you to a new slide. So the new PowerPoint presentation, see that when you want different types of slides, you can come to this part of home. Now we see you have new slide. Then maybe you choose on what you want to add. You have the one of title, slide, title and content, section header, blank. So picture and caption, this is what you can go to add. So we have this one, this is the design that you can add, maybe like the different slides. Like if I choose this, or probably even this one here, so you see that all my slides now have it, right? Then on this one I can put like something little bit like food. Yes, so this something would eat and drink. Yes, I hope you remember that that kind of definition. Always the first one is called the title slide, and here we can design the title, maybe something like, say, food. Then the bottom part you give like a little bit information about you, maybe the presenter and what you're presenting. You can say maybe presented by chef, presented by chef Joe. So see that this is done. Then for us to see, the next one is called transition. Transition is to transit from one slide to another. So here we have none, but we have very many of them, various number of them. So when you choose this, we have very many of them that you want. We have honeycomb. So if I choose honeycomb, see how it disappears and it takes me to the new slide. So specifically what you can do, then here you can decide to choose each slide. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can choose maybe from one slide and then determine the rest. That is called the master slide. So even for this last one, you can maybe choose your own, like review. Yes. Then animation, normally we apply to the text itself. So when you come to this, you can choose this one. Maybe you want the animation to be fly in. Then this one, we choose shape that appeared. So that is specifically for animation. Then slideshow here is now for the presentation point of it. When you have it, you can maybe say I want it to start from the beginning or from the current slide. So this now depends on the person who's presenting. Then review, this one what gives you specific, like on what you want. Maybe you want to add a comment on a particular thing. If you want to add a comment, say here food prepared by chef. You see we are finished. Then you come to view here, you can see that this is now where we have the master slide, in which in the next video I'm going to show you. So you can basically add very many things that you want in PowerPoint. So don't be worried. The PowerPoint, so you see that one that you add a text, when you click on it, show command, you see says food prepared by Chef. That is, and this is what called PowerPoint. Don't worry, in the next video we shall learn more. So if I'm to show you like our presentation now, click F5. Now the first one has appeared. Food presented by. On it, the next one, honeycomb. Yes, brings me the next slide, but without the text. You can tap on it, then the text is something you can do. Hope you are seeing how. If you want to escape from this, just press the part escape and takes you back to editing. Even in this same thing, home, you have very many things that you can insert here. You can even insert shapes. They're here. There are very many of them. And then also at this point for that you can insert online pictures, a table. So when you want to add like a table, like you first click on where you want to put it, then you come to table and you choose the format you want. So you can take this one or this, then you just click on it and the table will be done as it is. Or you can choose to insert picture. Maybe I want to insert this picture. It's too big, so you can reduce on the size. You have inserted our picture. So you can basically do very many things with your PowerPoint and even insert charts, anything specifically you need. And the header and the footer, click on it. This one gives like you can put your time in, update it will update the time automatically when you want. Slide number, the footer, in the footer maybe you can write now more about yourself and they always appear at the bottom. So that is basically about Word, and thank you so much. See you in the next video where you're going to talk about PowerPoint presentation. About PowerPoint in PowerPoint presentation, but basically about master